Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're going to start here in Latrobe. And behind me, Terrell and Zach are currently working on tinting a Bronco. Other Jimmy, we haven't come up with a nickname for Jimmy yet. Usually we strip you of your identity here and give you a new name. But we like Jimmy. So Jimmy's doing a ceramic coating here on a new Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I like the updated front end. I like the grill. And then we still have the 1933 Hudson. This one is in the process of getting polished and coated. It's sort of the one we're working on when time permits. I don't think they're going to be driving that thing anywhere anytime soon. So in the wash bay, we've got Alexis getting prepped. It's getting some PPF. And Caleb is currently installing PPF on the back of this TRD Pro Tundra, as well as the other PPF team, the other half of the team, I guess, here in Latrobe, doing a full wrap on a Genesis G90. Is that what this is? Yeah, Genesis G90. Max is going to be heading down to our South Pittsburgh store very soon. We're looking at a March 16th open date for our Washington location. All right, outside, our parking lot is getting very full. If you were thinking about getting something scheduled, I suggest you do it now before we are 3 or 4 weeks booked out, which happens basically every March. We've got a Volvo XC60. This one's here for, I believe, front bumper PPF and an annual inspection. Beside that's Toyota Celica. We polished and coated this one. It needs a final cleanup, and then it's going home. This Expedition got tinted yesterday. I believe it's just waiting for pickup and or getting coated. I've been bouncing around between shops, so I'm pretty familiar with what's going on here, but not every car. That Grand Wagoneer is an annual inspection. We've got a King Ranch for a ceramic coating next to a Tesla Model Y full PPF wrap. Behind that's another machine for our friend Ed. This one's brand spanking new. Before it even got out into the field, we got our hands on it to get the windows tinted. Also doing a protective film on the front. That front is plexi, scratches up pretty easily, especially when you're out on job sites. And so he's been using a protective film to keep those, and it's been, I guess, working pretty well for him. We have a Honda Passport that got a full wrap. Our other friend Ed, we've done a lot of work with him. Great guy. And another Genesis. This one's the SUV. This one's in for paint protection film as well. Then over on the side of the lot, we have a Ram 3500 dually. We've seen this truck many, many times. We ceramic coated this years ago. It's back for an annual inspection, and so is the 4Runner. And Nate brought his truck in for us to hardwire a radar detector, as well as take care of something on the hood. The vents got damaged when they came out, apparently, and so we got some new hood vents for those to go back in. So we'd previously done PPF on the front end of this truck. We always take care of problems that are our fault, and sometimes it happens. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia, South Florida, Sarasota. Maybe we'll give you a Washington update, but probably not till next week.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next up for the works is this Ferrari Pura Sangwe. This is in for a full body 10 mil paint protection film wrap. Window tint for the 2 front windows, 20% to match the factory. And once that's all done, we're going to top it off with a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over here, we have a completed ceramic coating. This was commercially vinyl wrapped by another shop, I believe somewhere in the southwest portion of the country. But it's in the shop today to get a ceramic coating. So we coated the entire body of this vehicle, all of the glass on it, all the plastic accents, and the face of the wheels. Next up was another completed job here for our friends at Classic Automotive. This vehicle was involved in an accident, and we reapplied some paint protection film on the hood, the driver's side door cups, the driver's side door edge guards, and we reapplied a dealership supplied vinyl hood decal. So this is all wrapped up, ready to get back to the customer. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this 2025 Porsche Macan EV from Ken Ganley Auto Group. This has got a full front clip paint protection film package, and now Mark is laying our Fusion Plus 8-year ceramic coating. Another completed ceramic coating here is this Lincoln Nautilus. We did the 2 front windows, 20% to match the factory tint, did a full paint correction, and a 4-year coating on the entire body, wheels, calipers, and glass. Back in the tint bay, we have Andrew working on this brand new Tesla Model Y. This is getting our Prime XR series on all the side windows and the back window. In the wash bay, Patrick's doing a hand wash on this Audi Q3. For any of our customers that get paint protection film or ceramic coatings, we do offer $20 hand washes any time of year. So if you're a prior customer or a future customer, keep that in mind to take advantage of whenever you don't feel like washing your own vehicle. Next in line for some protection is this Range Rover. This got window tint yesterday. We did the 2 front windows, 20% to match the factory tint, and a 70% full windshield. It is in for screen protector paint protection film, so on any of the interior screens, to avoid fingerprints, any unwanted marking. PPF is the answer for that. And once that is complete, we're going to be polishing out the entire vehicle and doing a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire exterior. Back in the PPF bay is a couple track packages. First up is the BMW M5 from BMW of Swickley. It's getting the entire front end along with the rocker panels protected. Yesterday we did tint this vehicle. We did 35% Prime XR tint on the side windows and the back window. Another track package in the works is the C7Z06. This is getting the entire front, including all of these carbon accent pieces, and the rocker panels, including those carbon accent pieces.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
On this side of the bay, we have a couple of Ferraris that are in for a couple of different projects. This blue 296 is in for a full body paint protection film in our Ultimate 8 and a 4-year ceramic coating. This white Portofino came in for this stripe down the middle of the car all the way to the back. This Tesla Model S came in for a vinyl wrap. Original color is gloss black, and we wrapped it in a deep matte black by 3M. In the PPF bay, we have this brand new 2026 Honda Prelude. It's the first one we get here at the shop. Received a full front paint protection film in our Ultimate 8. Completed project is 2500 that we did in our full stealth conversion, full ceramic coating, windshield protection, and windshield tint all around.